Hello, my name is Bojan, Savic here at the Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale. I would like to tell you a little bit more, just a little bit more, about this beautiful 2026 AMG E53. There's a lot of new, there's a lot of specific things that we never had before, especially on the E-Class, and I'm going to tell you all about it in not that much of a time. So the E53 plug-in hybrid. So in this case, that means that we do have the regular motor, vroom vroom, and we do have the electric motor and the high-performance battery, 28.6 kilowatt hours, that's located in the back. So this vehicle, as it sits right now, it's available to give you the 577 horsepower and about 553 pound-feet of torque, and then you do have the optional Dynamic Plus package that you can bump it up to the 603 horsepower on this particular vehicle. So acceleration 0 to 60, it's about 3.5 to 4 seconds. I'm assuming those are all important features that you want to know about this 2026 Mercedes AMG E53. So let's start from the beginning. The E-Class was totally redesigned and totally refreshed, and it's brought up all new back in 2024. It took us a little bit of time to put this P2 hybrid performance vehicle that was on the road. Right now it's 2026. So the vehicle is equipped with our AMG enhanced 3-liter inline 6-cylinder motor. It's a P2 hybrid. That means right after our internal combustion engine motor, there is the electric motor, and then there is a transmission. Transmission is also the TCT, which means a torque converter transmission, speed shift 9-speed transmission that's paired on this one, and it's full-time, fully variable all-wheel drive system that can propel you, as I was mentioning, in about 3.4 to the 3.9 seconds, depending who testing the vehicle. So the whole front grille, everything is AMG specific. As you can see, this particular vehicle does have the night package, so you're going to see the black accents that are decorating this, and of course a Felterbach logo that will show you here. This is an apple orchard, and then the piston that's wrapped up in the laurel, it says AMG and a Felterbach, because that's where the AMG comes from. It's a town just a little bit north of Stuttgart. This particular vehicle is finished in the Moonlight White Magno. Magno is our fancy word for the matte finish. So the matte finish that we have right here, and the Neva gray / black color inside. So very much like tuxedo package that we do have on this one. A lot of black and white. On the side of the vehicle does have you here the turbo and the hybrid. So this is a, like I mentioned, AMG enhanced 3-liter inline 6 turbo motor that it does have the hybrid. So together they produce about 577 horsepower on this particular vehicle. I just want to point out some of the accents that really distinguish this vehicle. Many of the other does have the night package, so the side mirrors are painted black. Also the trim around the windows is black, and as well as the side skirts and the top of the door handle right here is also black. The wheels are not black. In this case, they wanted to produce a little bit of distinction. They are 21-inch wheels and tires wrapped up in Michelin tires in this particular one. So the panorama roof, as you would expect, will come on the vehicle. Let me show you the beautiful interior. Like I mentioned, it does come equipped with the Neva gray / black NAPPA leather. So NAPPA leather, what it is, basically it's the highest grade of the leather that can produce. Has nothing to do with the Napa Valley. I have that question many times. So does give a very distinct interior, very rich and a very classical, everything combination of the black and white. As you would expect, the vehicle does have the Burmeister sound system, our premium sound system, heated, ventilated, memory seats, as you would expect. The steering wheel, it's AMG specific with the AMG drive buttons that are right here on the side. It does have the leather stitching for the entire steering wheel with the flat bottom on the side, and you'll see the AMG logo embroiderment does have on the seats for the driver and the front passenger. So what we have on this vehicle, it's particular just to show you inside. When we just start this vehicle, some of the important features, this is a plug-in hybrid of the vehicle. So it does give you the whopping 45 miles of the purely electric range. Purely electric range, so yes, you can take this vehicle out and sneak out of the garage and drive it. Basically, your daily commute should be that is a general in the United States of less than 50 miles. So you can drive this vehicle back and forth to work or your destination without spending a drop of gasoline. So that's what's unique about this collection of the E53. Obviously, you do have the instrument cluster that's right in front of you, and it's very individualized. That you can choose many of the screens that are provided, from the track pace to the Super Sport, Sport, Classic, navigation assistance features, and you can on this particular one, because it's equipped with the PINNACLE package, so it does give you the heads-up display. So if you can put it in the track pace mode, race mode, Super Sport, Standard, and so forth, and which information do you want to be presented in your heads-up display. Okay, so this particular vehicle, as you with that spec, does have the second generation of the Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX, and one of the things that's advanced now on the E-Class, it shows you that it has a Vivaldi browser. Particularly proud of the Vivaldi browser. That is the most advanced browser right now on the market that's offered in the vehicles. So as you can see, it gives you the access to the internet, and it gives you to browse the internet, many of the websites. If you don't want to do that simply on the phone, you just need a bigger screen, you just need more real estate, and it will give you the more features that you can see from Prime Video, Amazon, Yelp, YouTube, eBay, Walmart, etc., etc. Many of the other things, of course, Apple CarPlay, well as Android Auto, AMG performance, and the track pace of the vehicle will give you a lot of features, a lot of details, information about your energy flow, about how much power going to the front and rear, with the RPMs of the vehicle, suspension working, the angle of the car. It will even give you the G-forces, how much of the brake pedal am I using. I really have to work hard to get the brake at 100% to press them out, or the accelerator, how much horsepower, how much torque, how much PSI of the turbos you're getting. So anybody that's really interested in the individualization or knowing everything about their vehicle, this would be their choice, because they give you the IWC design clock, and it's a start and stop clock here if you want to measure your 0 to 60, 0 to 100, or over that. And again, one of the really cool features, the vehicle does give you the track pace. If you would like to take your vehicle on the racetrack, all the racetracks are basically downloaded. No tracks available in the vicinity. Drag race telemetry and everything else. All the fun stuff for the AMG guys. I'm sure that will enjoy that. 360 camera that you can utilize and see what's around your vehicle. Again, features like this, I think you expect, and it's kind of a secretly maybe even demand from the Mercedes, and of course we do provide that AMG specific functions that'll be on the vehicle. You can put this vehicle in completely electric, battery, comfort, sport, sport plus. You can see I just woke up the motor because I put the vehicle in the sport. So let me show you the back seat of the E53. So E53, or many of our E-classes, would be the choice for somebody who does want the performance, but also does want the comfort, does have maybe a family in mind, or the passengers in the back. So if I close the rear seat, I want to point out that I do have, this one has the sun package. So it does have the sunshade besides the tint. Comes really handy, Phoenix, Arizona. Vents for the rear air conditioning that I have on the side, and also right here from the center console, and I can adjust the temperature and the direction, everything here from the back. Of course, this serves as a 5-passenger, but you can fold this down to be in the armrest. If you press this just a little bit, it will give you the slot for the cell phone, where you can leave it, press it only halfway and release it. It will give you the cup holders. Yes, we have to have the cup holders for the passengers in the back. Let me now show you the trunk of the vehicle. So on the back of the vehicle, of course, you will notice the AMG specific rear spoiler. E53, it's encased in red. Why it's encased in red? Because this is the plug-in hybrid. This is where the electricity comes in. So all the vehicles that will be combining electricity and the combustion engines are wrapped up right here in red. Of course, this one has a night package, and it does have the tailpipes that also have the AMG emblems that will be right on them. And of course, Mercedes-Benz star, which you will see on many of our upcoming other cars. They will have the tail lights also in the Mercedes-Benz stars. So opening of the rear trunk, that's opening and closing. We do have a gift for you. The car comes with a gift. Does come with the features, as you can see, that you can utilize for the charging of the vehicle. If you want to charge your vehicle, it can again function on the battery, can function on a gasoline, and you can charge it. We do have the, of course, all the floor mats and the box that really comes on it, the front license plates if you would really need it. If you need to take off the wheel, this is the cap. This one does come with rubber floor mats as well. Like on the information, wait, that's not all, there's more. There's part here that we subscribe so you can charge on the charging stations, and it does come with a fragrance, because this vehicle, it's equipped also with the fragrance that you can utilize inside of the vehicle. I do have another video that talks specifically about that. So basically, if you utilize the fragrance that's inside of the vehicle, it will not be on your clothes or on your person. It will just be on in the air, basically in the ambience of the vehicle. One of the things that you can notice in the back of this car, that the trunk is really not deep, because basically this is where the battery goes, and this is of course where the tank goes and the battery, everything goes in the back, so it's not as deep. This is a very lightweight, as I mentioned, a 28.6 kilowatt hour battery, so it's fairly small, but it's there for the performance, and also does help the vehicle achieve about 45 miles on the purely electric. Can you make that even more usable? Yes. You can press the button, you can fold down the rear seats and to have everything flat. So E53 is trying to produce the vehicle that can be taken on the track, and it definitely gives you plenty of the thrill, plenty of the acceleration as you would expect from the AMG car, but it also does give you plenty of the usability of the car. So let me just put this all real quick in the back of the vehicle as it belongs. You can see it's fairly easy, and you can put quite a bit. Closing of the vehicle and the closing of my video. Again, my name is Bojan Savic here at the Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale since 2010. Please let me know, call me, shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to talk to you more and go more into the details about this beautiful 2026 Mercedes AMG E53 plug-in hybrid.